When I first set out to find a cloud-hosted server for our company's accountancy package, I wasn't sure where to start. I knew that thousands of companies were moving to the cloud, and I wanted to ensure our IT infrastructure kept up with the times. So I, John, the IT manager, decided to take the plunge. I began my search by visiting the websites of the major cloud hosting providers: Azure, Amazon, OVH. It was easier than I expected. With a few clicks, I could choose the size of the server I needed and pay with the company Visa card. In no time, I had confirmation of our new cloud-hosted server. It felt like a win for both sides. The hosting company got a new customer without breaking a sweat, and I had a solution to our problem. The next day, my inbox had a delivery email with my remote desktop credentials. This was great news. Now I could start configuring the server. Logging in with the given administrator username and password, I began installing our company's accountancy applications, setting up user accounts, and running tests to ensure everything worked as expected. It was a smooth process, and within a week, our new cloud-hosted server was ready to go. Everything seemed perfect. Cloud hosting felt like the future, and I was thrilled that we were part of it. But then came the hidden part of the story, the dark side no one tells you about. As soon as our cloud-hosted server went live, it became a target. I didn't know it at the time, but thousands of bots were scanning the internet, looking for open ports like 3389. Some of them found our new server, and the hacking attempts began. These bots are efficient. They can crack a password in minutes. It was only a matter of time before someone figured out our administrator login and gained full access to our server. This realization hit me hard. I wasn't prepared for this level of threat. What if a hacker managed to break in? They could do anything: steal data, install malware, disrupt our operations. The security risks were real, and I knew I had to act quickly. That's when I discovered TSplus. It was like finding a lifeline. TSplus created a product that shields the remote desktop gate on Windows systems, providing an extra layer of security. It's low cost, easy to install, and incredibly powerful. With TSplus Advanced Security, I could monitor and block unauthorized access attempts, keeping our server safe from attacks. Cybersecurity is no longer an option, it's a necessity. I realized that firsthand when I saw the sheer number of hackers trying to access our cloud-hosted server. TSplus was the solution that gave me peace of mind and kept our company safe from cyber threats. Today I can rest easy knowing that TSplus is guarding our remote desktop gate, allowing us to focus on our business without worrying about who's trying to break in. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember, cybersecurity matters, and TSplus is here to help.